Okay, yeah, so let me grab some papers first. I believe, if you can go to canvas. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Wayne. Welcome, Bing. Good congratulations on being the first. And we are about to, okay, so let me pull up the paper. Um, the sample papers on canvas are quite easy. Okay, that's good to hear. Um, hmm. Okay, I'll still go through them really quickly. So here are the papers. Sample paper one and the solution. Okay, so here's a sample paper one. Uh, and sample paper one solution. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open this in Microsoft Edge because Microsoft Edge allows me to write over the file. Not sure if they'll be the same difficulty. Hopefully, well, it's because it's easy that the bell curve is steep, right? So yeah. Okay, so let's begin. Push my computer a bit more back. Oops, I lost connection. I don't know how that's gonna affect my screen. Okay, seems okay. Um, let me grab out my drawing tablet. Okay, so let's begin. I do not want to set Microsoft Edge to be my default browser. Okay, so we're given 60 minutes for this, right? So we're beginning at 9:26. So let's take a look. Which of the following can be used as sample space for the problem? Choose two from four students to complete a project. So this will just be all unordered pairs, right, of the two people, I suppose. So I'm gonna guess that okay, so the first option is ordered, right? But we want unordered pairs, so this is just gonna be PP. Okay, I'll do like maybe every five questions I do, I will move to the next. I'll check my answers. Events depends on sample space. Thus for the experiment, the sample points is in an event could be different. If the problem of interest is different. Uh Sample points in for the same experiment, sample points in an event could be different if the problem of interest is different. I actually don't really know. Um, I feel like I should probably revise the definitions. I'm gonna put a question mark for this. Probably go for false. I'll probably go for true in an exam. Um, how many ways can these things be arranged along a boundary line? Um, I it's been very long since I did PNC, but I'm gonna guess that there's let me think, since there is 2 plus 3 plus 4, since there's nine stuff, right? Nine slots. I can first choose the first nine choose two options of putting the maples, right? And put the maples in nine places, the two maples in nine places. And after putting the two maples, right? Wait, oh wait, this is just yeah. After putting I can do seven choose four or seven choose three, doesn't really matter. And then the rest will be the same, right? The rest will be whatever's left over. So we will grab out my trusty numerical scientific calculator and do nine choose two times seven choose four. And the answer I get is 1260. The new COVID test kit tests check virus 90% of the time if the patient is infected, right? So this is P of detect given infected is 0.9. However, detects 5% of the time which is uninfected. So detect given uninfected is 0.05. Overall infection rate is 1. So this is just a conditional probability, right? So this is I mean this is just yeah, this is probably the detector is 0.99 they times 0.05 plus 0.01 times 0.9. And the answer I get is 0.1305. And that is probably wrong because I don't see. Oh, wait, no, I made a mistake. I made a mistake punching into my calculator. Ah, that's still wrong. Oh, wait, what's the probability of being infected if I think that's the virus? Sorry, I misread the question. I should definitely not do this in the exam. So the probability of being infected, if that's if that's the virus, detect the virus, is equals to probability of being detected, and this is going to be probability of being detected given the probability of being infected. So this is going to be 0.9 times probability of being infected is 1%, and then divide by probability of being detected in general, right? Which is um am I doing this right? Yeah, I think I am. let's try. So probably being detected is 0.9 times 0.99 times, yeah, the answer I get is C, right? The answer I get is C. Who the following answer is wrong. Okay, so which of following is wrong? Yeah, so which of following is wrong? Uh, okay, so it's possible that I think it's possible, right? Independent is just saying that the P of A intersect B is the product of the both, right? So this is possible. So A is possible. A is true. Mutually exclusive, that's false. Gee, wait, I think there's quite a lot of wrong answers, right? Yeah, I think there's quite a lot of wrong answers. Yeah, so I think these are the answers. Eh, no worries, no worries. No worries. So what do you use it for? Oh, yeah, they ask everyone to redo. I see, I see. Yeah. Okay, okay, can. No worries. Yeah, so I think that's okay, so let's check the answers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, I'm supposed to choose all that apply. Um, let's see. A, B. A corresponds to the sample space as order is considered. Okay, so in this case, I actually need to allow for A also, right? Okay, so what is an event in sample space? Let me just try to abstract the people for this. Okay, so the sample space is a space of all possible experiments. And the event, what is an event? Events are subsets of sample space. So um, sample points in an event, what are sample points? It's an individual outcome. Yeah, so an event is a subset of, okay, I see, I see. Sample points in an event could be different. Like the problem of interest. Okay, I see, yes. Um, so what ChatGPT told me is that, so my understanding is that events depend on sample space. Okay, that's clearly true. For the same experiment, the sample points in the event could be different. What's an experiment in this case? Maybe I should read the textbook. I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe I think I should read the textbook. Let's see, lecture notes. Going back to the very basics. Um, okay, yeah. So this is going back to the very first topic where they define the definitions, right? Okay, so the sample space, blah blah, sample out, then the subset. Okay, so the problem of interest, if it's different, the number of numbers that show top faces. Okay, fair, fair. So it has if the dices are labeled, then the order of which dice in some sense the order in which you see things matter, right? Because 2, 1 is different from 1, 2. But if it's not labeled, then it becomes 6 choose 2. So in this case, okay, so the two cases, the experiment, okay, I still don't really get a formal terminology though. Yeah, you guys could help me out here. Um, okay, so sample space is this. Uh, because events, it's a different problem would lead us to a different sample space. Okay, fair, fair. Ah, okay, I understand. So I see. So the experiment is the same, right? The experiment is a dice roll, but the problem of interest is different, right? One of them will be the number we're interested in, and the other one will be the parity of the number, the dice roll. And as a such, the sample space is fundamentally different, right? And hence the event is also different, right? The event of even or 246, right? This is events, right? And yeah, that kind of makes sense, right? I guess. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Yeah, okay, that makes sense to me. I think I'm convinced. Are you guys convinced? Okay, next one is correct, right? Next one is C. Next one is BCD. Okay, great. Just need to be a bit more careful for. Yeah, okay, next. Which of the following statements are true? Must be true. Okay, if I union the two events, yeah, I think D must be true. This is also true. Wait, no, this could be false, right? This could be false, so it's false. So D must be true. Oh, should select one answer. Yeah. Should I see? Okay, so I think so the 10 women and 20 men in a class, symbol of trees in form with two men and one. So it's just multiplication, right? Just 10 choose 2, and then 10 choose 2 and 20 choose 1. Yeah, so the answer is C. So clear A 1 6 if B and R. Okay. So this is just EV, right? This is just EV. So the probability is just 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/6 plus 2/3 times 3/4, right? And the answer is 5/9. Okay, so this one is I don't think we have enough information to do it, right? Oops. What? Yeah, I don't think we have enough information because we need a P of P, right? We don't have that. This is false. X bigger than or equals to 4. So this is a CDF, right? CDF. So this would be equals to 1 minus f of 4, right? In this case, f of 4 is 4 times 4 over 100. You 1 minus that, this equals to 0.84. Maybe we should study a bit of so this is a CDF. So this would be f of 5 minus f of 1, right? Or strictly speaking, 1 minus. So this is equal to 1 minus slightly less than 1. So it's going to be 3.2. I'm going to guess this D. What is V? I'm not sure what is V. Yeah, I'm not sure what is V. Okay, this is a good point to check the answers. This is D. This one is C. This one is A. This one is C. false 0.84. Um, okay, so this is strictly less than. So actually this should be 5 minus, right? So yeah, okay, this one I got it wrong. I don't know what is v of x. Uh, this is the expected value. Let me ask ChatGPT. Oh, variance. Okay, sure. Okay, so the PDF of this will be 0 0.2 here, right? At position 0, there's a 0 0.2. And then at position 2, there's a 0 0.4. Position 2, there's a 0 0.4. And at position 3, 0 0.1. Right? And then at position 5, 0 0.3. Right? So we just need to compute the variance of this data set. And the answer will be so it's x squared times 0 0.4 plus 3 squared times.
This is a YouTube live.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be
say hi.
featured.
Yeah, to my one viewer.
Hey, I've been a top viewer. I've been liking your things.
Damn. Thank you, thank you. Hello.
I need to ask you a question.
Can I play football?
No, I need to ask you a question.
Okay, yeah, sure. What
How
is
just
it?
I play?
Wait, I was it's okay, I come do work. Come do work. I went to
Don't
shower.
need to do work. You teaching the instructor.
No homework, no homework to do.
Hey,
Come, put
you
you,
too
you wanna
smart
show
already.
this?
Hey, have you done tutorial?
What tutorial? Which one?
ST lah.
No, I don't do tutorials.
Okay, but I don't know how to do one question.
Wait, let's see.
This is
Okay. Can, show. This is Nipan.
No,
He's my classmate.
classmate. When I say classmate now.
He's the best in football at cap.
Nope. Question 4. 4B actually.
What poker?
4B specifically.
Poker is up my alley.
Ask me for ST lah. Oh,快点听人听哦。哦，必须给。Stay. 啊，会going.
Yeah.
会 going. Okay 啦，我哇，我已经没。我係點可以有我哋？哇，佢哋幫你試同一啲聲。對，我知。我意思，哇，所以是的。都有回話，我 I remember. I don't know. I thought it was today. 哇，你講咩麼？How to meet more? Okay. Yeah. Stop. Maybe I understand what.
Hello.
It's too easy for you, right?
So I know A, but I don't know B.
The straight one.
Mm, you can always so the probability of drawing a straight is the probability of drawing, let's say, in increasing order
Yeah.
times 5 factorial, right? So like let's say so you need to calculate the probability of drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Yeah.
in that order, in that specific order, and then after you times 5 factorial, because there are 5, for every such universe, right, where you draw 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 5
you don't have to
factorial
draw. You
unlimited
don't have to
is
draw
fine.
exactly that lah.
Yeah, you can draw any order.
But as long as you get 5 cards right.
Yeah. So it's probably 52. So to draw the lowest card. Okay, the lowest card can be anywhere from 1 to 10. Right?
Yeah. I mean got GQK.
10 JQK is. So the lowest card
Oh,
must be
10
10,
yeah.
right? So there's 10 possibilities, right?
Yeah, okay.
And then from there, okay. Okay, so let's count not by probability, but like by the number of trades you can draw over the total number of cards you can draw. So
Yeah.
something over
52 choose 5 ah.
permute 5. 52 permute 5.
For me, meh.
Okay, depends on whether we want to do the 5 times 5 factorial up here. Lah.
Oh,
Let's say, let's say,
okay.
wait, let's say if we choose 5, then up here we don't need to do the times 5 factorial because the order doesn't matter. Yeah. So, okay, over here there's 10 possibilities for the first card, right?
First card.
Yeah, like so it's
First
1 to 10.
Oh. Yeah.
Then next one, wait, that actually decides the rest of, what you need for the rest of your cards. Is it just this?
What's the answer? Definitely not lah. Definitely not lah.
What's the answer?
The answer is typical.
Oh my goodness.
The answer is this. I mean, you're halfway there lah. You didn't feel this part lah.
Hmm.
Fish!
10 minus 4.
Get the answer correct!
Sorry, stupid.
Yay! You
My
stupid
4
lah.
viewers know I'm stupid.
You got 4 viewers?
Yeah.
Oh, W's in the chat. Send W's in the chat.
It dropped to 2.
Oh, shit. You see what I should have please. There, you can see 8. Oh, got it.
Oh,
Wait, is it this?
no.
That's a bit. That's real time. Below is real time.
Below this one is real time. Then this
Oh.
one is a lag by like 10 seconds.
I don't know. But I'm not streamer mah. See, I got one more viewer already.
Oh, of course. Hello, welcome JEE to 2025. I'm studying for my exams now. Wait, so why got the 4 choose one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, cause there are many suits.
Indeed. Very suits, you know. Yeah, that thing is stupid more.
Wait, so
Fantastic, you know.
so isn't it? Wait, is 4 choose one to the 5?
Because you look at it this way.
Right. So the first one you choose. Okay, so there's 10 options, right? Initially. Why do they do it this way? Okay, so let's say there's 10 options for the first part. Can I just do this one times 4 to the 4, 5 to the 4? Does that work?
No, I don't know how to, play.
Oh,
Actually, I can just see.
it's 4 to the. No, it's. So let's try to understand why. Let's try to understand why that one is in there.
No, yeah, no, we see what the one is my tutorial and this one is the answer sheet. So I don't know if there's a difference. Already. Man.
Number of straight hands with 1 is the smallest card. Four choose one is okay. So you just four. Wait, just 4 to the 5 because there are 4 suits and you have 5 cards. So okay, so like there is one of diamond. Okay, so if I
Wait, so is your answer correct?
uh
The
wait, I don't get why there's a minus 4. You know. There's four hands from.
Oh, because
Oh, they
straight
do
flush.
not want a straight flush.
No, straight flush is not a straight.
Oh, okay, okay. That's why there's -4. Okay, so like, okay. So how many straights are there that is not straight flush? So let's count the number of straights first. So, so let's say the first card is a one, right? How many possibilities are there? There's four possibilities, right? Because there's four suits. There's four ones they can draw,
Yeah.
right? Then then the next card must be a two, right? So, and how many twos are there? There's four twos.
Sorry, I need to design poster.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye.
So there's a total of 4 times 4
This slide
ways of choosing one.
Hey, got 0 viewers.
So it's four, like four ones times four twos times four threes times four fours. That makes sense. Like it's 4 to the 5 from here. Here the four twos one is just a 4, right?
What as you take any of the four suits?
Yeah, any of the four suits. They so like it can be first of diamond, second of hearts, third of clubs.
Yeah.
Like the suits can mix and match. So in total there's a 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 4 to the power of 5 possibilities.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you must minus the 4 here because you do not want the case where like 1 diamond, 2 diamond, 3 diamond, 4 diamond, 5 diamond.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's if 1 was a starting card. If 1 was a starting card, then the answer would be 4 to the 5 minus 4.
Okay.
But then any of the 10 cards can be a starting card.
Mm.
So like I first constrain. Okay, so from the very start, right? You first constrain that you're doing choosing, you're not doing permuting. So as the denominator is choose, if you choose 5, if you choose 5, and the numerator is you don't need to permute the 5 cards. So, right? So if I very start, you're saying I don't care about the order of the cards I draw. I just care about uh what I draw. So because you so the denominator is now for choose 5, and the numerator is now you're trying to count the number of straights you can draw where you don't care about the order. So because you don't care about order, right? In order not to double count, in order to double count like you draw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you double count another time where you draw a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In order not to double count, you need to impose that you need to count the number of possibilities where I draw one first,
Oh.
right? I draw the smallest card, then next card,
Yeah.
next card. Because if you don't, then you end up double counting. It's
So
like
how do I show that I'm drawing the first card as the smallest card?
uh
Like in my math.
when you do choose 5 over here, I guess you can say
Is it because I do 10 of them? That's why my first card has
no,
10.
the 10 is not uh, the 10 is not related to the permutation. The reason why we do not permute it is because the denominator here is choose, not permute.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so if you do 22 permute 5 over here, then in the numerator here must times 5 factorial. Because now you're counting, if you're choosing the denominator, you care how you permute the cards, right? Then the numerator you must also permute the cards.
Because I don't care about the order, that's why
Yeah,
the top I like to care about the factorial lah.
yeah.
Okay.
So at the top, you're now counting how many straights there are um where you don't care about the order. You're just counting how many straights there are, how many straights you can form, how many unique straights you can form in this deck of 52 cards. Um, yeah, where you do not care about order in which you draw the cards. So it's as if it's okay. If my mental picture helps, right? It's as if I have a deck of 52 cards here. Then I tell you, okay, give me a straight. Then you draw. Then you record down the cards. After you draw 5 already, then you record down the set of all 5 cards on a piece of paper. And you plus 1 to your counter. Then you put back the cards. And you draw again. Right?
Oh.
So imagine, and then once you draw another set, you add that to your database, and plus 1 to your counter. So this way you see that if you draw 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 versus you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the same.
It's a very matter lah.
Corresponds to the same set because
Yeah.
after when you add to the
It's
database,
still the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lah.
yeah, the database doesn't know the order which you draw the cards. So if the energy helps. So in this way, when you count, right, you must count only from the smallest to the biggest because if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the same as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then you're double counting.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're enumerating in the database. Imagine you did that like for a long, long time. Then now you're thinking in your database, how many possibilities are there? So there's you look at all the first cards right? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you look at all the right. So that's where the 10 comes from, right?
Yeah.
And then you look at the suit of the first cards. So there is going to be the suit of the first cards could be four. Sorry, so it could be diamond, could be heart, could be all four suits.
Yeah.
So you have 10 times four. Okay, yeah, so you have four, and then the suit of the next card can be any of the four suits as well.
Yeah, then I get it.
Yeah.
Okay, understand it. But I can understand it. Kind of. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
No, it's a good thing.
Peace out. Bye. Bye, you.
Football.
No. That chapter always on them much, yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
this one is it?
Yeah.
Mm.
Are you doing a sample paper now?
I'm doing a sample, yeah.
What,
Actually, most of the upper questions, how do you find it?
I haven't do it.
Oh, it's quite, I feel like it's quite okay.
How many questions are there?
Uh, 15 now.
15. Okay. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Cheers.
You too.
你这边照没有？
Yeah,
啊，这就起来，
yeah.
拜拜。
Bye.